Hey, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you the importance of the bookmarks in your analytics if you have a premium or premium plus subscription on X. They actually count the bookmarks. I'm always looking here at my 3-month, and you can see the bookmarks are counted. So that is part of the entire algorithm. So you have bookmarks, you've got your engagement rate, you have actually engagements, likes, count, new follows, posts, profile visits. I haven't really looked at that one in a while. Let me take a peek at that. Profile visits. There's another profile visits, and it goes day by day. It shows the impressions versus the everything here on this side is the impressions. Replies, those are huge as well. Reposts are people reposting. And shares. So you can see shares were high up here, not so high here. They went down a little there. But again, we want to go to the bookmarks. And so that just shows you that they are counted in the algorithm, and it is important on X to have bookmarks or to have people bookmark your content. So when you're building your content, you have to think, what do I want in the bookmarks? And I'm just going to go quickly. I started a new thank you. Anyone that says thank you to me for something, I thought that'd be kind of cool to have a thank you. Some of my favorite posts that I had done or other people had done. Some of these are old. I haven't added them there in a while. AI tips. I love keeping the AI tips. If Alex Finn has been fabulous with his tips. So I like to keep them in here. You can even bookmark some of your own stuff. This was actually from another Richard Marshall that I had posted, but I wanted to keep that one. So I just started really organizing my bookmarks because I thought it would be something that you really helps to keep things much more organized. Again, Alex Finn here on his X tips, and you can see some others here that also had some really good tips on X. So that's the value of the bookmarks, and you will see that if you have the premium and you go to the analytics and you're able to actually see if people are bookmarking your content. And you can even go further out into a year time. And you can see before I started using Creator Buddy in December, my stats were really flat, and then they've gone up, and they've been a little up and down. There was a little down period when X was offline for several hours one day. They seemed to have some, bugs in it, and that seemed to take things down a little bit, but you can see it's coming back up as the week's going on here. So that's the importance of bookmarks. So I highly recommend you use them and use them wisely. I'm getting much more organized the way I do my bookmarks so I can quickly look for things when I want to look for things. And think about when you're producing your content, when you're coming up with your posts on X, would this be something someone would bookmark? Does it have enough value? And you may want to try to, get your posts to be more valuable, not just, hey, how's your morning? What'd you have for dinner type post. Those are fine to get to know people in replies, but the posts that you're putting out there, you may want to have 1 or 2 every day that could be bookmarkable. And you'll see that increase with your analytics, and it will help with the impressions as well. I hope this has been helpful, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.